Hi everybody! We've been talking about using our observation eyes and how important observation eyes are when we're learning how to read. Today I want to play a little game with you. It's I Spy. Have you ever played I Spy? I'm sure you have. It's a fun thing to do. And I want you to look around, look at me, look at my little reading nook, and I want you to see if you can spy a blue circle. Think a bit. Do you see a blue circle? It's kind of easy, isn't it? It's right here. I pretended that this blue circle is a button on my shirt. I'm going to make it a little harder. I want you to spy for a red triangle. Do you see it? Look for the red in this picture. Look for the red around me and see if there's a triangle there. I think you'll see it on Mr. Lion, don't you? In his red mane. All right, here's a hard one. I want you to see if you can spy a yellow square. Now you might see a few yellow squares with pictures in them, but I want you to find a plain yellow square. See if you can find that. Do you see it? It's on one of the books, isn't it? Yeah, it's on the 1, 2, 3 book. And I just taped it in there like it's hiding among all the other shapes on the cover of that book. Today we're going to practice spying things on the samples that I gave you. So you're going to find a few pages in your book bin or in your supplies that show pictures hidden in the scenery.
This book is called Hidden Pictures Around the World, and in every picture you can find this girl and this man. I want to show you one of the pictures inside, and you'll notice that in this picture there's a colorful scene, and there's also something at the bottom. It says, find and circle the hidden pictures. Now, usually we don't write in our classroom books, but you have copies at home. So when it's your turn to try this, you're going to be able to actually make marks with a pencil if you'd like. Now, in this page, we can see a whole bunch of things that you would never find under the ocean. This one says a wrench. So we can go up here and look for that shape, something that a person might use to fix a pipe or work on a bicycle or something like that. And it's almost like a claw or something. So let's take a look up here and see if we can find that shape. And it could be a different color. Ooh. Uh-oh, there it is. Do you see that? The crab's claw is the same shape as the wrench. Now here's a nut. This is also something that you might use if you're fixing something. And you put it on the end of a bolt and you kind of twist it around like that. So let's see if we can find that. It's sort of almost a roundish shape. And kind of just got to look all over. It's got straight edges. Oh, do you see it? There it is, right on the top of the child's snorkel gear. All right, let's look over here. A sock. Can you find a sock in the picture? It's kind of a weird thing to find in a beach scene too. We don't usually wear socks to the beach. So let's take a look all the way around and see if we can find, ooh, that fish looks weird. Do you notice that? That fish does not look like a fish, and it kind of almost looks like it's a shoe. Look at this. You see that shape of the shoe hiding in the fish? All right, but we're not looking for a shoe, we're looking for a sock. this sock right here. So let's keep looking. Oh, I see it. It's white and orange. You see this gull's head? Isn't that so funny? The sock is on the gull's head. So we can't see its eyes. Its bill is in that part of the sock. So that's how hidden pictures work.
This is one of them. Now this is from an activity book, and usually we do not draw in our books in the classroom, but this is a copy, and if you want to draw on them or circle them, you can do that. This is the other one. It's from a book called I Spy a Dinosaur Eye. So those are the two things you're going to use during Read to Self today.